Good morning, students. So we are solving this problem set 15 and question number 5. So let's read the question. Which number on being multiplied by 56 gives the product 9688? Now 9688 is the total number and we need to divide this number by 56, then we will get the answer, and the answer will be a number which on being multiplied by 56 will give us this product. Okay, so we are going to divide this 9688 by 56. Now, do we know the table of 56? No. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a table of 56 on this right hand side and then divide it with the 56. Okay. And now we have this table of 56 on my right hand side. So now let's divide 9 with 56. So we can't do this. Okay. So I'm going to write 0 on top and then subtract 0, so remainder is 9, and again we are going to take 6 here. So can we divide this 96 with the help of 56? Yes, 56 ones are 56. 56 ones are 56. Subtract it, 0, 4, and then 8 will come down. Okay. So now 56 sevens are, okay, 56 sevens are is 392. Subtract, borrow 1 and give it back, so we have 60. Okay, again we are going to take this 8 down, so 56 threes are 168. Okay, so I'm going to write 3 and 168 I'm going to subtract. So what is my answer? My answer is the number 173 on being multiplied by 56 gives 9688. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. Let's solve the sixth question. If 48 sheets are required for making one notebook, okay, that means one notebook has 48 sheets. How many notebooks at the most will 5880 sheets make? Now how many sheets we have? 5880 sheets we have. Okay, and we need 48 sheets for one notebook. Okay, now how many sheets we can make, how many notebooks we can make with this 5880 sheets, and how many sheets will be left over? Okay, this is what we are going to do. We are going to divide this number with 48. So let's write it. 5880 divided by 48. Okay, so I'm going to write here the table of 48. You also write down. So I have written this table of 48 here. So let's start divide. We can't divide 5 by 48, so I'm going to write 0 and subtract 0. So I'll have 5. This 8 will come down. Yes, so 48 ones are 48, because 48 is smaller than 58. If we subtract, we get 10. Okay, this 8 will come down now we can take 48 twos are 96 because 96 is smaller than 108. 48 twos are 96. Subtract. Okay. 12. This 0 will come down and we have 48 twos are 96. So we'll have 4 here and 12 minus 10 is 2, 0. Okay. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 122. That means we can make 122 notebooks can be made. And remainder is 24. That means 24 pages, yes, or papers, or you can say they have said sheets will be left. Okay, that's it. And now this is the seventh question, which is your homework, and that is, what will be the quotient when the smallest 5-digit number is divided by the smallest 4-digit number? Now smallest 5-digit number is what? This is the smallest? No, this is not the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, smallest 5-digit number is this, and when it is divided by the smallest 4-digit number, this is the smallest 4-digit number. So you will be dividing this number. That means you will be dividing this number, smallest 5-digit number, by smallest 4-digit number. Okay, do this as your homework and let me know. Okay, so I'll see you in Google Meet.